Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of the project which has been given to us as a part of first sem for the computer science in where we are using Python in this. Coming on to the project description, we have made a language translator. It is a real-time language translation facility to any language. This project combines the power of Python with popular APIs to fetch accurate translation to break the barriers in communication. By integrating with Google Trans, the application fetches language conversion to any language and vice versa, and also offers a text to speech facility for the users. So they can have apt pronunciation of the language translator. Let me give you a tour of my code. First, I'll be explaining you the demo, how it works, and then I'll be taking you how the code executes. Let's start with it. So let's come here. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the demo video. Now we'll be this is we'll be converting it into the French. Let's try it with French. It can speak also. It will give you a text to speech translation. It also. Let's start with it. It shows French. Let's start.
Bonjour à tous les bienvenus dans la vidéo de démonstration.
So that's how it translates. It can be translated to multiple languages, more than 50 languages, which are available in the Google API library. So let's keep it side by side, and I'll be showing you to the code how it works. Starting with this project uses the GUI framework, also known as tkinter. We are familiar with it. Then I am using a Google Trans. It's a Python library that implements Google Translation API. Text block, which is used for speech tagging and correcting the spellings and all the other stuff. We are using PyDT-SX3 for text to speech conversion, which you just saw in the demo video. We are making a main frame of the GUI with root.tk. We are very much aware of this. And coming on to this, we have this the title sets the Google Translator here. The geometry sets the it to my screen, which I have already given. Now coming on to the starting part, we have used many widgets here. First, we have put a image icon, which is directing me to the directory where I've saved my image. This is the image I have put first. Then I am using another image which is being placed here for giving the icon and changing the official Tkinter icon to the Google Translator icon, which I have taken in this. Now we'll be coming on to what to say. Now we are using the Google Translate languages. It's a syntax that way. It converts it into a dictionary of all the languages. The dictionary looks a bit like this, so you can get an idea. We have the code and the language in front of it. First, we make a list of the language values of the languages, that is English, Afrikaans, and all the other stuff. Coming on to the keys, we take the keys. That's how a language translator reads the main thing. It is in the backend. Fine. Now we'll be coming on to the different widgets. I'll be showing you the widgets and how they're working. This is a combo box widget, which is a combination of label and text widget. So we can see here it's a combo box. It's combined, so it's called combo box, and we are using all the languages. This is a combo box. Coming on to the label widget. This is a label widget which we have combined with combo box in order to show the same input as whatever is being input in the combo box. Okay. Now coming on to the frame. This is a frame widget which is used as a storage container to store the other widgets and place them properly on the screen. Coming on to the text widget, uh, we have the text widget. This is a text widget where we are writing it. We have integrated it with the scroll bar widget, which scrolls the value if we write something more. Like let's go. If we write something more, if we go further, it keeps on scrolling according to the this. Now coming on to the, we have integrated the scroll bar. Fine. Coming on to we have similarly we have made the this like we have made the left bar first, left side, and then we have made the right side. So this is the right part we have made for the right part. Coming on to the you then we come on to the translate button creation, where we have integrated with a function called translate now, which helps basically this translate now function is the main user of our program, which basically configures everything and gives you the output of this beautiful program. So let me tell you how it works. This is a translate button, and we are using all the parameters which makes the button look red, and when I go on to it, it changes color and all that. You're very much well aware of that. Fine. Coming to the label change, this is the command. This is the function call for the label change definition of function, which basically does the when we change anything, it changes it to changes the label to that. So that's what it basically does. Coming on to the translate now, we are using the translate now as in the command section of the translate button. So coming on to that, we have this function definition of translate now. I'll be explaining you this properly because this is how the main code works. So we have it here. We put it in a try and exit block. You guys were very well knowing about the exceptional handling. So coming on to this, we have this try frame. In the try frame, we check all the key and value pairs we get from the combo box 1 and combo box 2. Then we check that with these two for loops. Then if the this is found same, we store them into new variables called from language key and to language key. So basically it's self-explanatory that it is being translated from this from language key to language key. Now we use a text blob. Text blob is used like I have written something here and all. I have missed, like if I miss a comma here, like when you're pronouncing something, you need a comma, pause, and all those. So all the speech tagging and all the other works are being done by text block 1.0 to end. Like it reads everything from starting to end. Now words equals to words dot translate. We are using the Google API syntax, which is translating it from language to this language. It's after translating, we are inserting the translated version into the second text to frame, where the translated version is being inserted from the starting to the end. Then we are using a speech engine which has been inbuilt in Python. It's called PyTTX63. We are initiating it with this command, and then we get the property of all the voice IDs. And basically, it's a simple program engine.say words. It says the words. That's all for that's all for the final this. So we have put an except command. It gives an error. Basically, the error is shown when we are not using internet, because Google API is an application program interface which uses internet to fetch the data. So that's all. That's all for it. Thank you.